Hey guys, it's me, Lucy McCulloch here, and today I'm gonna react to Snoring Triangle versus Monkey. I think I really don't understand. You think they're on in the bed and in his bed, and about his bed and his monkey's bed over the top, and Triangle's up and down here is in his bed. I don't know, this is kind of a little weird, but you're about to find out. But you gotta find out, but I don't think she does. Watch. What? What is that monkey snoring like a big butt? Weirdo. Jeez, that's creepy. Why he's creepy? Why is he creepy? I don't. Okay, I'll see. What is he doing that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, stop. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that was. Hold on a second. That guy was the other side. Wait, I think he's come up. Monkey is a word of prank for me. It's a prank, but I don't know.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What the hell was that? Wait, let's do it again. Oh, that's cute. What the hell? What the hell, Coachy? What the Okay, what's going on?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What the? Okay, that's cute. Okay, well, I hope you like the video and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.